Hi children, welcome back in our online English classes. Dear students, I hope you all are fine and enjoying watching videos. Keep watching our videos regularly and study regularly. Students, in our previous video, we have started this lesson 5.2 Inqilab Zindabad. Okay, Inqilab Zindabad. Students, we are learning here the story of a great leader of India, that is Bhagat Singh. Okay, so students, we have seen some parts in previous video. Now let's see the remaining part. So I will read first from the first only. You can see at the screen and read along with me. Inqilab Zindabad, long live the revolution. Even today these famous words evoke patriotic feelings and a spirit of nationalism in the heart of every Indian. One of the greatest of Indian revolutionaries was Bhagat Singh. He was born on 27 September 1907. Okay. In a Sikh family in Banga, a village in the Lalpur district of present-day Pakistan, was the third son of Sardar Kishan Singh and Vidyavati. His father and uncle were members of the Ghadar party. The aim of his party was to rid of the British rule by means of an armed struggle. Thus, Bhagat Singh belonged to a family of patriots and love of the motherland was in his blood. Students, up to this we have finished. Now let's see this remaining paragraph. On 13th April 1919, a crowd of around 20,000 people had gathered for a public meeting in the Jallianwala Bagh of Amritsar. They included men, women and children. The British General Dyer came there with his 50 riflemen. He blocked all the exit points and without giving any warning ordered his riflemen to fire at the crowd. So students, our story begins from here. In previous two paragraphs, we have seen all the background and description about the Bhagat Singh. Oh, actually, what happened, how he became famous, we are learning here. This incident is very important in our Indian history. You can see or you can read this in another books also. Read once about Jallianwala Bagh. Okay, so let's see what had happened here. So it was a date on 13th April 1919. So there were 20,000 people were gathered for a public meeting. Jallianwala Bagh is a place in Amritsar. So all people, near about 20,000 people were there, and there were included women, men, children too. Okay, so they gathered in Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar for a public meeting. So students, what had happened there? The British General Dyer came there with his 50 riflemen, and as we know that our India was an independent country, so British were ruling our country, and at that time General Dyer was General of India. So he came there at that same place at Jallianwala Bagh with his riflemen. Okay, so there were 50 riflemen came with him, and without giving any warning, he given permission to the riflemen to shoot the people. Before that, what did he do? He blocked all the ways to go out from the Jallianwala Bagh. Okay, means he closed all the gates and all the ways, and he given permission to the riflemen to shoot the people. So this incident happened in Jallianwala Bagh on 13 April 1919. Now let's see what happened on the page number 124. About 1,000 people were killed and more than 1,500 were wounded. This barbaric killing of innocent people touched Bhagat Singh deeply. He was filled with the desire of revenge. He was only 12 at that time, but he swore in his heart to free his country from the cruel British rules. So students, at that time Bhagat Singh was only at the age of 12 years. He was only 12 years old. So he saw this incident, he thought about this incident and he decided to take revenge against it from the cruel British rulers. Okay, so students, new words are there, you can underline them, you can highlight them and you have to write their meaning and learn them. Barbaric, then touched. Okay, so what is their meaning? So barbaric means what? Let's see. Means cruel and violent. It was violent and cruel. Okay. So and touch means moved emotionally. So students, Bhagat Singh moved emotionally about this incident, and this was barbaric killing of innocent people. Okay. So cruel. This incident was very cruel, done by British rulers, and 1,000 people were killed in it and 1,500 were wounded. Okay, so students, at that time Bhagat Singh was only 12 years old and he decided that I will take revenge of this incident. Now students, by the age of 16, Bhagat Singh was completely dedicated to India's struggle for freedom. After his schooling at Lanpur, Bhagat Singh joined the National College at Lahore. Here he came into contact with other revolutionaries like Bhagwati Charan, Sukhdev and others. In 1924, his parents praised him to get married. He said, "If I am to marry in a slave country, I will prefer to marry death." He ran away from home, reached Kanpur and became a member of the Naujawan Bharat Sabha. So students, when he was 16 years old, he dedicated for the freedom of India. You know what is mean dedicated? This is one type of emotion. Okay, desire. He decided to give everything for the nation. I will live for only to free this country. Okay, it is given here. Dedicated means devote, having great love for something means here having great love for our country. Okay, so Bhagat Singh was completely dedicated to India's struggle for freedom. After completing his school, we know he lived in Lanpur district, so he joined the National College at Lahore. So he went to Lahore and joined their National College, and in that college he got some new friends having same thinking. Okay, so he got new friends in National College and they were also same like Bhagat Singh only. They also have dedicated for the country. They have the same feeling about country. Here he came into contact with other revolutionaries like Bhagwati Charan, Sukhdev and others. So we always remember names with Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru. Okay, you may have learned and read about this also. So he got friends there in that college. In 1924, his parents pressed him to get married. So now he became young, so parents wanted to marry him, but what he said, I won't marry with anyone in this slave country because our India was ruled by British. So all the Indian people were ruled like slaves. So Bhagat Singh said there, his line is here said by him, if I am to marry in a slave country, I will prefer to marry death. Means it is better to marry with death. Okay. So he ran away from home and reached Kanpur and became a member of the Naujawan Bharat Sabha. Okay, student. So in this way we have finished these passages here. I hope you understood this video very well. Remaining part we will continue in our next video.